guys, welcome to another week's vlog. I am so shiny. I, again, didn't wear makeup today. I'm like, maybe this is TMI, I don't know. Do you guys feel like period talk is a little too much? But I'm on my period, so I'm feeling like, ugh, super tired. So I literally got up 30 minutes before I had to leave the house this morning, and so I wore absolutely no makeup, and then halfway through the day I was like, oh, let me try some skincare. So I did like a micellar water, I put a new moisturizer on just to try it out, and yeah, this is what we came up with. My skin's looking great. I'm actually about to edit a video about a skincare system that I've been using. I think I kind of talked about it slightly in a vlog, but I didn't go into great detail and let you guys know what's been working for my skin. So I tried something and I'm actually really stoked about it. So you guys will definitely see that video before this vlog goes up. If you haven't seen it, I of course will link it below, as I do with all my recent videos. So I'm really stoked about that. I'm amazed that I love it as much as I do. I'll put it that way, because you know, I'm very picky about my skincare, and you know, you never know. You never know. So that's what's going on. I gotta put something on my lips. My lips are so dry. I'm gonna use this sugar. I have this Advanced Therapy from Fresh in the shade Dream. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on. Can I do this one-handed, left-handed at that? I can do it. My lips just feel so chapped. But anyway, so I'm home. I'm about to get into some comfy PJs. I think I'm gonna have some coffee. I'm not really hungry yet. It's like 5:45, and I think we're gonna wait and eat at like 7 or so. But I want to show you, I got two little boxes. When I got home, I got my Allure Beauty box for February. I will be posting this. I'll do a video and an Instagram post about it. But they've really stepped their game up, and so far I'm really liking it. I'm impressed. I love that they've improved it so much. I'm really excited to unbox it, and then I'm also going to try out this. They just kind of wanted to send it to me and let me review it. So this is a razor, and it's very interesting. As you can see, like the little balls it has, but it's supposed to be like hugging all your curves. It's got gliding roller balls. It's got a little stand to sit it on, and it's different. It's supposed to be like very ergonomic. Let me show you. So it fits on your fingers like that. So you're basically just like gliding your hand along when you're shaving, which I actually think might be really cool. So that's what I'm trying out. They sent like some little info on it. This is a sticker. Yeah, so I'm going to try that out, and I will let you guys know how it works. I'll probably just do it either in a vlog. Yeah, I'll probably just talk about it in a vlog and then post it on Instagram. So that's the two little packages I got. I need to go grocery shopping so freaking bad. Like, my cabinets are bare. I have Skinny Pop and maple syrup. But I think tonight I'm going to make the rest of these.
Oh my god. So I think tonight, god damn it.
I think tonight I'm gonna make these Kodiak cakes. I'm gonna make pancakes, not waffles, and scrambled eggs, because that's literally all the food that I have. I really need to go grocery shopping, so I'm gonna make that in a little bit. But for right now, I'm about to sit on the couch and I'm gonna watch an episode of that Netflix show You. It's really interesting if you guys haven't watched it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit and then edit and make dinner. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Thursday afternoon, and these are my most dirty brushes. Please ignore, it's just like sitting on my kitchen counter. So I grabbed a bunch of dirty ones. I filled this up. I mean, not every brush in this container is dirty, but the majority of them are, as you can tell. So it's been a while, and I really need to do this. So I'm about to wash all these brushes, or the majority of them. So I'm gonna put on some music. I'm also gonna try out this little Violet Voss cleanser, probably just for eye brushes, and see how that goes, and then also use my normal. So I will update you guys. And hey guys, it's Friday night, and I just got off work. It's almost 6 o'clock, and I only worked like 5 hours today. It was a nice little short shift, which I like. I did pick up a few things at work. There was some really good items on sale. So I got the milk. This is the Blur Spray. So I'm pretty sure, my nose is itching. I'm pretty sure that, maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like when this first came out, it was like $38. It was like a ridiculous price, but maybe it was always $28, and I'm just trying to like make things up in my head. But I always thought it was really good spray, but it's just such a small bottle. Like, it's a short little bottle. It's 2.3 ounces. And when it was like $28, I was still like, no, I'm not paying that. But it went on sale for $14, so I picked up one of those. One of the weekly wows were the Dr. Jart rubber masks. So I got the Bright Lover one, Hydration Lover, Firm Lover. And then I also picked up one more thing, which I think is kind of weird. This is a cleansing and exfoliation tool. This is what it looks like. Isn't that like odd? I mean, a bunch of people have said it looks like something else. Can you guess what that is? Don't comment that. I'll probably get flagged. YouTube is like flagging all these videos right now. I feel like something weird is going on because like people are not seeing my videos. Like some of you guys are getting notified and then there's a lot of people that aren't. So if you're someone who actually does want to watch all my videos, be sure to, you know, make sure notifications are turned on. And then sometimes like go to my channel and see like if there's videos there that you have no idea that are up, and like let me know because I can pass that feedback along because I'm wondering what's going on, but it feels like the past several days like something weird's happening. I was about to go somewhere with a friend who used to work with us and then she had to go somewhere else, but I think I'm gonna get Zach to go with me, but I think I'm gonna get my septum pierced tonight. So I don't know, it's something I've been thinking about for a while, but I feel like the good thing about that is like if I don't like it, I can just take it out and it's not gonna scar or anything. So yeah, I would get like something kind of petite, but I think it's gonna be really cute. I wore like a fake one the other day and I thought it looked cute, so we shall see. So hopefully it will look cute on me. I don't know, but it's something different. I just feel like, I don't know, you live once, do something interesting. Also, I'm gonna get my hair changed soon. So it's gonna be like whole new me. I just need to get back to the gym. I've been slacking so much lately, but I don't go in until 2 tomorrow. So I'm definitely gonna go to the gym in the morning, but I have been seriously slacking off. Still, and I haven't been eating as good. Like I'm still doing better, but I don't know, I'm just slacking. I need to pull it together. But if we go get it done, I will film if I'm allowed to or if he's comfortable doing that. The person who will be doing the piercing, if he's okay with it. If not, I will show you after.
Pressure in here, I'm just kind of checking around. And oh. Deep breath in, 3, 2, and 1. And there we have it. Deep breath in and out.
Hey guys, good morning. It is now Saturday. This is the after. So I've still got a lot of swelling and I'm pretty sure I have a slightly deviated septum. So it's like sitting just a little off, but he said that that will improve over time. Also, I don't intend on keeping this particular ring. It's just like the standard one I went with. And then a few months from now, I can change it out. So yeah, I'm a little, like it's a little sitting off, if you can tell. It's better. Like, yeah, I felt like last night I was really swollen and I think it was like unevenly swollen and it was worse. So it was like, I almost like, oh my God, what is wrong? But it's already better. So the more that I am able to move it around later on and all that stuff, it'll improve. And I'm also using this Snail Mail piercing aftercare. They sold it there. I just went ahead and bought it. It was 10 bucks. It wasn't bad. And this way I can kind of clean it really well. I'm about to wash my face. I'm using Clinique Pep Start. So this is the exfoliating cleanser. I just needed to grab a cleanser out of my room and that's the one I grabbed because I needed a little exfoliation. My skincare last night left me a little on the greasy side, but I don't mind at all. And I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so I put some of this R&Co Death Valley dry shampoo. It smells so good. I saw Tati talk about this trick, like before she works out, she'll put dry shampoo in her hair if she doesn't intend on washing to kind of keep it fresh and it'll absorb like the oil and the sweat. So that's what I'm doing too. That way when I get home, I can like maybe zhuzh it up a little bit, put a little bit more dry shampoo, and then, I don't know, straighten it. I'll probably just straighten it today. And, okay. So that's what I'm doing. I'm about to wash my face, put on, I'm gonna use some of this Lancome Renogy Lift with sunscreen. I'm gonna be heading out. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm just gonna do some cardio. It's a little itchy. I'm gonna do some cardio for probably like an hour, and then I will come back and get ready to go to work. I work at 2 o'clock. I work 2 to 10. It's kind of ugh. But I'm off tomorrow, so we will do something tomorrow maybe. And I've actually got my vanity room mostly cleaned up. I'm super proud of that because it's been a mess for so long. Let me know what you think. My mom said that it takes away from my natural beauty, which I knew she was gonna say some crap like that. But I also think that she doesn't like this ring, which is not my favorite, honestly. I don't know. I would have, if I could have, I would have gone with like a little petite ring, you know, but you just got to do what you got to do. And then later on, I'll change it to something that I like. So let me know what you think. I think it looks better when I have makeup on. Like, it doesn't look so like out of place. And I'm also just getting used to it, obviously, on my face. So, all right, I'm going to go work out and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it is now Monday night. I just got home from work. It's already like 10, so hopefully I can get this vlog up in the next hour or so and get to bed because I gotta get up early again. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and that's about it. I'm working the next 2 days and then I will finally have a day off on Thursday, which I will definitely do some filming. Update too, I'm wearing the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. I just used that in the video that I put up yesterday, so I will link that one down below if you haven't seen. It's a full face of Makeup Revolution, and I'd actually not used any of it, so it's like a full face, one brand, first impression. I didn't put all that in the title because it's like that's confusing, but yeah, it's all Makeup Revolution and it's all stuff that I've never used, so most of it went really well. Spoiler, not everything did, but I really like the brow pencil. I decided to use it again today because after editing that video I was like, oh yeah, I haven't used that brow pencil again. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.